Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of mine, and we are back outside again today to film another video. It's kind of windy, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but hopefully you can. So for today's video it is going to be different ways. That y'all can style your neck scarves. Yeah, so 6 different ways I think. Yeah, that you can use to spice up your outfits, and yeah. So starting off with the first look, which is of course using a neck scarf as an actual neck scarf. So you just want to go ahead and grab your neck scarf, and you're just going to fold it in half so that it looks like this, and it's like a little triangle. And then what I like to do is I just like to go ahead and whip it like that, so it makes like a snake basically. I feel like that's the fastest way. So now you've got this, and then you just want to wrap it around your neck, of course, and then just tie it off like that. Well, sorry, tie it off like that, and then knot it again. And so now the next way that you can style it is just to actually put it in your hair, which is a very popular thing that people tend to use, like the way that people style neck scarves. And do the same thing that you did earlier. So you want to fold it in half, and then like start whipping it, and then you're just going to tie it around your head. Right, and then so you want to wrap it around your head like kind of like a headband, and you can put it in the middle or on the side if you'd like, and then just tie it really nice and tight, and then just double knot it like that. And you can either leave it like this, which is still cute, but I just like to tuck the little tails in, and that's the second look. So yeah, so now on to the next style, or I think this is the this is the third way to style your neck scarf. So I'm going to be using this one because we want to show off a variety of neck scarves. So this one is another hair way. So basically what you want to do is you want to just tie your hair up into a ponytail, or low, whatever you like. I kind of like it low. Just do the exact same thing that I showed you, just fold it in half and then whip it, and then you're going to tie it around the base of your ponytail and just tie it in a little knot. You can make a bow or whatever you'd like. So now moving on to the fourth way to style your neck scarf. This is kind of similar, but it is to like put your hair up in a bun. This is like one of my personal favorites. It's just to put your hair up into a bun. So you want to do the exact same thing that you've been doing, just fold it into a triangle, and yeah, and then just wrap it around the bun. And you can tuck the ends in, like the little bow ends in, or you can leave it hanging out. I kind of like this hanging out for my bun, so yeah. And now moving on to the fifth way that you can style your neck scarves is with this one, which you've probably seen many times now. So the first way that I'm going to style this is just on my wrist, kind of like a bracelet. This isn't my favorite way to style it, but it definitely spices up your outfit. Just go ahead and do the exact same thing. You fold it in half diagonally and whip it, and then wrap it around your wrist. You might need some help, but I've kind of become a little bit experienced, so just do that. Wrap it. And yes, I know this is not the most practical thing, but I honestly think it looks kind of cute and effortless, so yeah. So the very last way you can style this, and this is my personal favorite, or the one that I've literally been using a lot or wearing a lot, and it is a tube top. So basically what you want to do is you're going to fold it diagonally in half, just like you've been doing, except you're not going to whip it. And what I like to do is I like to wear a little tube top underneath, just in case, to be safe and stuff. So I just like to do that, and then you wrap it over at the front, and then turn around and you just tie it, and you want to double knot it, and you want to make sure that this is super duper tight, or else things might happen. So let's make sure no accidents happen and tie it real tight. And that's basically it. Now you've got yourself a little tube top. You can tuck it into your pants or leave it out kind of like a bandana style. but do what floats your boat. So that is about it that I have. 6 different ways you can style it, kind of 5 because the wrist one was sort of, I don't know, maybe it was a joke, I have no idea. But I hope you guys can take this into account the next time that you find your outfit is too bland and you want to add some spice to it, or sweetener, whatever you like. But anyways, I'm sorry about like the whole noise and stuff in the background, but hope you guys still enjoyed watching today's video and enjoyed this stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends, and ciao!
But baby, you hardly even notice when I try to show you. Song is meant to keep you doing what you're supposed to. Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep. Make you banana